Welcome back to Vitality Hell Vibes. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating realms of empathy and human connection. Strap in because we're about to embark on an emotional journey together. Let's start with empathy. It's the beautiful ability to understand and share the feelings of others, to step into their shoes and truly connect on an emotional level. It's about seeing the world through their eyes and acknowledging their joys, sorrows, and struggles as if they were our own. Empathy isn't just a fuzzy concept. It is a solid foundation in psychology. Studies show that when we empathize with others, our brains light up with mirror neurons, mirroring the emotions we observe. It's an innate response to show how deeply connected we are as human beings. Now let's talk about human connection. It's the essence of our existence, the lifeline that holds us together. It's the invisible thread that weaves through our lives, linking us in ways we can't always comprehend. Human connection is what brings us comfort, belonging, and purpose. Sadly, life often presents us with heart-wrenching moments. We face loss, grief, and the unbearable weight of tragedy. It's during these times that the empathy and human connection become more crucial. When we embrace empathy, we offer solace to those who are hurting. We become a shoulder to lean on, a listening ear, and a source of strength. And in turn, we discover that our own burdens feel lighter when we connect with others authentically. The incredible thing is, when we cultivate empathy and human connection, the world transforms. We build bridges instead of walls, and compassion becomes the language that unites us all. We learn to celebrate our similarities and embrace our differences. So many wonderful viewers. My wonderful viewers, let's spread empathy and foster human connection wherever we go. Let's be the ones who are offering a helping hand, a compassionate heart, and a listening ear. Together we can create a world where empathy reigns and human connections thrive. Remember, the power of our unity knows no bounds.